Photo Studio is a free app where most of the content is free. It's an editor all in one. There are instruments for non-professional editors, such presets, and for editors who like more complicated instruments, Blender, Clone. Huge collection of stickers, frames, effects, filters, unique brushes. Everyone can edit photos with Photo Studio. In this tutorial, we show you how you edit photos with several instruments. Add text, use effects, smart effects, filters, Blender and etc. To edit a photo, you have to browse it from storage. The app has a large number of tools. Photo Studio has a powerful text editor with a huge number of fonts for each language. It has 500 fonts and styles. "21 thematic filter packs." These are 500 plus templates. "22 thematic PiP effects and effects packs." In general, these are 725 patterns and effects. "64 thematic packages of stickers." 5,700 stickers. "19 themed packages with frames." 400 frames. 52 packs of smart effects. 800 templates. There are blending options also. You can place a photo in different shapes. There are also some mirror effects. And an amazing big decor effect is also here. In the next set of tools, there are many features like the crop photo, cloning items on the photo, 3D effect, color splash tool, lens manual correction and auto levels. In the next set, there are also crop, flip, rotate and cut etc. like features. In the last section, the app has a rich collection of content for photo editing. The ability to create a picture from scratch, standard photo processing settings like light, brightness, contrast, etc. 22 brushes, 23 starting patterns for double exposure. Here are all features of my app.